Hi future doctors, welcome to the next class. In this class we will discuss new lesson, motion in a straight line. So when object is moving in a rectilinear path or straight line path, then we are going to study about the object in this lesson, motion in a straight line. If an object is dropped from certain height, it will be moving downwards. This is straight line path. If you project it vertically upwards, this is also straight line path. If it is moving horizontally, it is also straight line path. So we will discuss about this object in this lesson. So mainly we should come to know in this what is distance and what is displacement. So we came to know definitions very well. So what is the distance means? Total path covered by the object. Total path covered by the object between initial and final position. So what is the distance? Displacement means shortest possible distance between two initial and final position. Simply shortest possible distance is called displacement. Total path covered by the object between initial and final position is called distance. So distance is a scalar quantity, we will say. Displacement is a vector quantity. So again, what is scalar? So which is having only magnitude but no direction. What is vector? It is having both magnitude plus direction and it should obey vector laws. Already we gave definitions for these in basic maths of our previous videos. You can watch this. You can watch these there. What is vector scalar? Both magnitude, direction and obey vector laws. Let us assume from here college to your home. So 10 kilometers distance. If you say from here to home 10 kilometers distance, I cannot come your home because in any particular direction you have 10 kilometers. But to reach exactly to your home, I require direction, particular direction I require. Then only I can come. Otherwise, 10 kilometers in any direction you will get 10 kilometers. But to reach the opposite position, we require particular direction. Therefore, displacement is having direction. So these two are the simple definitions. Now we will see how problems they are going to ask. So from A to B, one object is moving. So A to B distance 5 kilometers. Now what is the distance? What is the displacement? Distance from A to B 5 kilometers. Displacement is also 5 kilometers. Correct? Next, after reaching B, again he came back to A. Now he is at A. Now what is distance? Distance means 5 plus 5. Total path, according to definition, total path 5 plus 5, total is 10 kilometers. What is displacement? Here finally it is reaching A, therefore displacement is 0. Same like this. A to B, B to C. This is 3 kilometers, this is 4 kilometers, B to C. Again C to D, 3 kilometers, D to A, 4 kilometers. Now what is the distance from A to B for this? AB I am writing means distance, AB bar if I am writing that is displacement. From A to B both distance displacements are same. Next A to C. So A to C, what is the total path? A to B 3, B to C 4. Therefore 3 plus 4, 7 kilometers. Now what is shortest possible distance from A to C? That is the definition. According to definition, shortest possible distance. Therefore this distance is nothing but root 3 square plus 4 square. That is nothing but 5 kilometers. Correct? 9 plus 16 root 25, 5 kilometers. Now what is the distance from A to D? And what is the displacement from A to D? Distance is total path. A to B, B to C, C to D. 3 plus 4 plus 3. How much will get? 3 plus 4 plus 3. 10 kilometers, correct? Displacement, shortest possible distance. This is the shortest possible distance. This is nothing but 4 kilometers. Now A to A. A to A, what is the distance? A to A, what is the displacement? So A to A means 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. That is the total path. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. You can add. Next, A bar. It is reaching finally 0. So 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, sorry, 8 plus 6, 14 kilometers. Correct? So this is about distance, displacement, how it is going to move whenever it is a closed path or open path. If object is moving in circular path, if object is moving in circular path of radius r, then what is the distance displacement for different positions? So this is radius r from A to B, B to C, C to D, again D to A. Now what is the distance for one complete rotation? A, that is going to be 2 pi r. So what is the displacement? It is going to become 0. Now what is the distance from A to C? A to C. A to C is nothing but half of the circle. That is nothing but 2 pi r by 2 pi r. Now what is the displacement? Displacement means shortest possible distance. So from center to here r, from center to here r. Therefore r plus r 2r, like this. Next, A to B. What is the distance? A to B, what is the distance means? This is 1/4 of 2 pi r. Therefore 2 pi r by 4, correct? Therefore pi r by 2. Now what is the displacement? AB bar. So displacement is nothing but shortest possible distance. So this is r, this is r. So shortest possible distance is A to B. This is going to be root r square plus r square. Root 2 r square. Therefore root 2 r. That is the distance from, sorry, displacement from A to B. Now in general, if it is making theta angle, how we have to define? So this is radius r of the circle. A to B object is moving by making an angle theta. Now what is the distance? Distance means this is the total path between A to B. So what is the distance means? In basics we discussed. Angle theta, arc length by radius. Angle theta, arc length by radius, L is equal to theta r. So this AB is nothing but L is equal to theta r. Now coming here. So what is the distance A to A? When our object is moving from A to A, we said it is covering how much angle? 2 pi. Therefore 2 pi if we substitute here, we are going to get this one. Next, A to C distance. A to C distance means this angle is pi. Therefore, see, theta is pi, pi r you got. Now A to B, what is this angle? 90 degrees. Therefore, in place of theta, we can write pi by 2. So therefore, you have to remember this formula, not this. If you remember this, you can get any distance. So object is making A to B 60 degrees angle there. So what is the distance? 60 degrees we have to convert like this, pi by 3. So pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees, correct? 180 by 3. So like this you have to show. Next, what is the displacement? So displacement means A to A 0, A to C half of the circle 2r, next A to B root 2r. Now, what is the formula for displacement? We will see. If object is moving in circular path, okay, now it is covering from A to B. So this is nothing but AB is nothing but shortest possible distance. So divide this one into two parts. This AB is going to be x, means this is going to be x by 2, x by 2. If total angle is theta, this part is going to be theta by 2, theta by 2 if total angle is theta. So we want from A to B. A to B is nothing but we assume x. So to calculate x, so for this theta by 2, x by 2 is which side, means opposite side. Therefore, you can take sine theta by 2. Why we are taking sine theta by 2 means we want opposite side value. Therefore, so now what is opposite side? X by 2 by hypotenuse r. Therefore, x by 2 is equal to r sine theta by 2. Now, what is x means? 2r sine theta by 2. This is the formula for displacement whenever object is making an angle A to B, theta angle. What is the distance we said? Distance is theta r. Displacement is 2r sine theta by 2. Now we will see. So if it is making complete circle means what is theta? Theta is going to be 360. Substitute here. 2r sine 360 by 2. 2r sine 180. What is sine 180 value? 0. Therefore, displacement is 0 from A to A. So in previous one A to C we said. A to C, what is the displacement? 2r we wrote. Now substitute here. A to C, what is the angle? 180 degrees. Substitute here. X is equal to 2r sine 180 by 2. So 2r sine 90. That is going to be 2r. Next, A to B we got. A to B we got root 2r. So A to B, what is the angle we said? 90 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 2r sine 90 by 2. So 2r sine 45. What is sine 45 value? 1 by root 2. So 2 can be written as root 2 into r by root 2. Therefore, root 2 r. So like this we are calculating distance displacement. Now how they will ask problems on this? So we will discuss in our next class. We can practice today only two formulas we got, theta r and 2r sine theta by 2.